Nigeria is planning to spend $28 billion this year to tackle economic challenges such as inflation, unemployment, and poverty. It is hoping to generate $19.7 billion of that from the sale of crude. But the move by the Trump administration to increase America's oil and gas output is threatening that target.
Trump is saying that he's going to explore more of American fossil fuel, especially in the Texas states, so that you give America more reserves, more energy, and cheaper source of alternative energy.
The U.S. has also asked the Organization of Oil Exporting Countries, OPEC, to lower the international price of crude. According to research firm SBM Intelligence, this move could see an oversupply in the market and lead to a price drop. This, it says, would impact countries like Nigeria that rely largely on crude oil earnings. The country has predicated its revenue for 2025 on a benchmark of $75 per barrel.
It's going to affect how much we get in terms of revenue. And if our revenue is low, it means that it's going to affect what we are able to do in terms of infrastructure, spending on infrastructure, even paying wages, generating employment, spending on basic health facility, basic human capital, issues, health, transport, education. The implication is going to be quite huge.
Economic experts say Nigeria needs to stop its dependence on crude for the bulk of its revenue and foreign exchange.
We have been making attempts to say, how do we shift away from overdependence on oil and gas? This is the time to take that idea seriously. What we need to do is begin to look at other areas, other options. And we have very huge opportunity in the agriculture sector. For energy, we have huge opportunity in alternative energy sources.
Nigeria's government says it plans to generate over $790 million in 2025 from wheat farming alone. It says it has provided inputs such as quality seeds to over 270,000 farmers to help improve their yield. In the meantime, some OPEC countries have held talks following the U.S. call for lower prices in a bid to stabilize the energy market. Another meeting of the organization's top ministers is expected to be held on February 3rd. Ajak Mangut, CGTN, Abuja.